every BP, blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, prostate, arthritis, liver problem, in the name of Jesus. Everything that is threatening your life, your health, your joy, your happiness, your promotion, in the name of Jesus. Every power delaying your miracle, delaying your breakthrough, prolonging your battle and victory, in the name of Jesus. Every oppression of the enemy in your life, in your business, in your family, your children, your wife, your husband, your ministry, in the name of Jesus. Every satanic prediction against you, against your family, your husband, your wife, your children, in the name of Jesus. Every trap and every snare or evil prophecy to destabilize you and your family, in the name of Jesus. Every shame, disgrace, reproach, or misfortune against you, against your children, even as the year is getting close, in the name of Jesus. Every evil eye that is looking and monitoring your movement, your progress, monitoring your marriage, monitoring your children, your wife, your husband, in the name of Jesus. These remaining months of the year, you shall not die. You shall not die. Your loved one shall not die. You will live to declare the words of the Lord. In the name of Jesus. Go and fulfill your destiny. Go and increase. No weapon fashioned against you that shall prosper. Any tongue that rises against you in judgment, I condemn it from this altar. In the name of Jesus, the Lord shall go before you. He will be behind you. He will be by your side. He will take care of you. In the name of Jesus. Every untimely death, untimely accident, untimely mishap, it is not your portion. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. I take you to the new year. In the name of Jesus. You will be distinguished. In the name of Jesus. Say this after me. Say this after me.